Morning, Mr. Tan, VPs, teachers, and fellow Christians. I am Matnan from Class 44, and today I would like to talk about the issue of racism. Racism is a very serious matter which should not be taken lightly or be joked about. However, this topic is being discussed frequently in our daily conversations and by people all over the world. What exactly is racism, may you ask? Racism is the belief in the superiority of one race over another, which often results in discrimination and prejudice towards people based on their race or ethnicity. It includes the idea that humans can be divided into groups which are determined by social behavior. In short, it splits different races due to our differences. For instance, slavery existed in the United States. Between 1619 and 1865, slavery against African Americans took place. African slaves helped build the new nation into an economic powerhouse through the production of lucrative crops such as tobacco and cotton. Through the Union victory in the war freed the nation's 4 million slaves. The legacy of slavery continued to influence American history from the Reconstruction era to the Civil Rights Movement that emerged a century after emancipation. This clearly shows racism as it shows the superiority of the white Americans over the African Americans. Racism can not only be demonstrated through race and ethnicity, it can also be shown through discrimination of religions and their different beliefs. Discriminating other people and their religious beliefs may cause them to be easily offended and could even lead to punishments by law, as it is an insult to the people and their religious beliefs. There is an example of discrimination of race in Singapore which led to a punishment by the law. In 2016, teenage YouTuber Amos Yee uploaded a video of him making fun of the Islamic Quran and the Christian Bible. Amos Yee also belittled other religions and mocked their religious acts. A lot of Singaporeans from other religions, including myself, felt very offended by his racist remarks in the video. A few days later, justice was brought into the situation as Amos Yee was arrested a few days after the video was released for discriminating other religions and their religious beliefs, much to the satisfaction of the other Singaporeans from different religions. Another act of racial discrimination can be reminisced on back into the year 2016 when Donald Trump won the election of the United States of America. He implemented the law of banning Islam from coming into the United States of America and building a wall across the Mexican border. These reasons are partly due to the reason of the terrorist attacks that have been happening over the years, such as the memorable 9/11 plane crash incident that occurred in 2001, and also to stop all illegal immigration or all illegal drugs or criminal activities from Mexican people crossing the border. This clearly shows President Trump is an anti-Arab person as he does not want them to be coming to the country due to incidents of the past. I think racism is not a matter to be taken lightly or be joked around about. I know many people in Singapore usually make fun of their friends of other races. For example, people calling their Indian friends construction workers or making fun of the Chinese people because of their small and tiny Asian eyes, or even people making fun of Malay people by stereotyping them as not smart people or uneducated. I know that all of these times, or at least most of the time when they make these kind of jokes, they do not say it with the intention of hurting their friends' feelings. However, I think there should be a line drawn in between joking around and making racist jokes. The reason for this is because although you know that all of your friends can take these jokes, while talking to completely different people, they might not have the same sense of humor, and they would likely be hurt in their feelings or would be offended. So I would advise people to stop making fun of others based on their skin color or religious beliefs. By doing this, I believe that everyone in this school could live in harmony. With that, I would like to thank everyone for listening to this speech and hope that you will have a nice day ahead.